Homesick for Another World, a poem by Themreichon Leisan. I come from the land of my ancestors, the land of the mountains, where sons and daughters are raised together. But I am often told I must act womanly. Appropriate woman who is responsible, not too ambitious, but just run off the mill, who can bear children and create the perfect home. I, a daughter, a woman, so dear to them and my ancestral land, the land of the mountains where I dwell. It is a home so dear to me, yet I feel homesick. Homesick for another world. A poem by Themreichon Leisan.